Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, Sales Manager. I got a short options video to go over with you for our bulk bag unloading stations. It's going to be for our bag spout clamp seal assembly. So this is the clamp seal assembly right here. The reason why we provide this is when we're unloading dusty or powdery material, and we want to make sure we mitigate the exposure of dust from that product into the facility. So what it includes is an inner tube surrounded by an outer tube with a FDA-compliant seal in this top plate. We have gas spring assist to help with lifting and lowering the plate itself. Operators will pull down the discharge spout, put it over the inner ring, and then we will lower this top plate and pinch it against the seal to create a positive connection between the discharge spout and the downstream process. So unlike an untie chamber where there may be a little residual dust that can escape out the top, this is a positive clamping mechanism between the spout of the bag and the downstream process, allowing for no dust to escape. As displaced air is being produced from material discharging in, we have a dust port on the back which can be connected to a supply dust collection system or an existing dust collection system that you may already have. If you're unloading dusty material, this is a pretty valuable one to add to your next bulk bag unloader. Please talk to us. We'd be happy to add as an accessory option to your proposal. Thanks. We'll catch you on the next one.